Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to rotate a video in the gallery, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Gallery app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once inside the gallery, you'll see all your photos and videos displayed. Locate and select the video you want to rotate. Step 3. Next, tap on the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to access the editing options. After that, tap on the crop icon. Step 4. Now you'll see a rotate icon. Tap on it and your video will rotate 90 degrees. Step 5. If you'd like to rotate it further, just tap the rotate icon again until the video is at the desired orientation. Step 6. Finally, once everything looks good, confirm the changes by tapping the Save icon at the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully rotated your video in the gallery. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.